chocolate.
Masarap yan, Nainay. Ginawa yan ni Ate.
Salamat.
Kahit ano pang dumating, kahit ano pang sumubok sa atin, we're here for each other. We face it together.
Sama-sama.
Maybe. Oh.
Picture po tayo. Tapos i-post mo, Ate.
Sige. Kailangan pa ba i-post?
Opo. Family picture, Groovy. Dali!
Let's go.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, smile.
Say, Super Family!
Super family!
Nag-stock ka na naman. Tapos mapipikon ka. Ronnie, nakailang palit ka na ng cellphone, ah.
Pangit ng picture. Mas lalo na si Lorena, patago-tago pa siya sa likod ng mukha niyang gremlin na anak. Pa-post-post pa sila ng hot chocolate, ha? Akala mo wala sila nasaktan. Parang hindi nila ako binasura. Akala mo wala silang ginaslight, wala silang kinancel. I'm done playing nice.
Kailan ka ba naging nice?
Sa mga deserving. Not the traitors. Alam mo, hindi na ako iiyak sa gilid. Hindi na ako magmamakaawa because Lorena pushed me to my desperate era. She also pushed Wilfred and Amber to destroy my worth. And now, it's my turn. Sisiguraduhin ko na mapapawalang bisa yung kasal nila. Na masisiguraduhin ko rin na masisira yung so-called nilang family at sisiguraduhin ko na mabubura ang pangalang Lorena Herrera sa mundo ni Wilfred.
Ang dami mo nang ginawa. Ano ba pinagkaiba dito sa mga paantar mo noon?
Iba to. Dahil iba na ako. This is what happens when you don't just break someone's heart. But you destroy their worth. After desperation comes destruction. At hindi ako titigil hanggat hindi nila nararamdaman kung anong ginawa nila sa akin. And I'll start with that Lorena. I'll rip her apart, piece by piece. Aalamin ko lahat ng lihim niya, lahat ng baho niya, ilalantad ko. And when she does, sisiguraduhin ko na masisira siya. Sisiguraduhin ko na madudurog siya. At sisiguraduhin ko na mabubura yung pangalang Lorena Herrera. here's the status update. Tatlong client contracts ang need a follow-up, just waiting for their sign-off. Dalawa na ang cleared, and we're just tracking their payments due by the end of the week. And attached here are the revised timelines for the campaigns. Everything's aligned for Q3 targets.
Akala ko naka-sick leave ka pa.
Okay na ako, Will. Sayang ang oras. Marami pa tayong dapat habulin. And I just want to show you that I can still be professional.
Ronnie, what if mag-resign ka na lang? I mean, if you need a letter of recommendation, a referral in your next job, I'll be more than happy to do it. Just for your own peace of mind.
No. This is still my job. I earned this place well. Personal is personal.
Ronnie, I already filed a protection order.
Yes. Yung barangay level? Insulting. Don't mistake the barangay protection order for total control, Wilfred. It only bars me from Lorena and your house, not from earning my living. Unless you want to file another motion, I suggest you get used to seeing me here. And unless, kung may legal kang basehan to kick me out of Pearl Vault, you know, HR-related labor code violation, then kung wala, I'll be at my desk.